Let's open one of my constructions.cloud quick starters on templates with Kiro. And Kiro is an, I would say, AI assisted IDE. So do you like this project? I can work with AI and let's see what happens. But interestingly, on the left side, what you see is it's a Java project. And what I get is I get full Java support, syntax highlighting, code completion, and not only that, I can jump between class files in unit test files back and forth and generate, if I need, to string methods. And what it said is, Kiro likes my projects, which is a good news, so I don't have to re-record this screencast. But the question is, what I did, how Kiro knows about Java. And the answer is, Kiro is based on Visual Studio Code, and Visual Studio Code ships already with great Java support. So I have two extensions installed. One is from Red Hat, which enables syntax highlighting and even Java 25 support. And you might wonder why I need XML. And this is nice to have, but if you install this this extension, what you get is you get formatting in POM XML, for instance. So I can reformat a code, which is only possible if you install the XML extension.